Okay, hello, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do this sort of wavy text like that. First things first, let's start a new layer. The reason I look like this is because I just woke up, I accidentally fell asleep, and it's now 6 a.m. So let me finish this video because I don't like having things unfinished. It's my last video. Let me finish it and then I'll go back to bed. So if I mess anything up or I'm just mumbling my words, that is why. So first thing you want to do, there's two ways to do this. You can do this the easy way or the hard way. The hard way is the proper way. The easy way is the cheat way, and that's the way I normally do it, but it doesn't normally, it's a little bit less control. So the first way, the proper way to do it, I'll teach you how to do it properly, then you can decide which way you want to do it after that. But once you know how to do it properly, start a new layer, and then you're going to create a pathway. So pathway is essentially with your pen tool or your shape tool for like circles or something like that. You can do that. But what you want to do is you're going to want to find your path tool, your pen tool. If you don't have it, you can click on these three dots and find it, or you can click the P shortcut, and that'll give you that. You want to make sure it's on path here. So now that we're on a new layer, you want to click, make your first point of the path, and then as you use your pen tool, you will have to click and hold, and then you can adjust to the size which angle at which you want to make your path, and you drag, and then you click again, and you click and drag and make it into your last shape. Okay, now that our path is there, you press T for text tool, or you go find T over here, and then you hover over your path at the beginning, because if you do it at the end, then it will just not work. It'll just go off the edge, and it won't follow your path. So you want to do it at the beginning of your path, and then you see how that squiggly line appears. It means, hey, you want to run on this path? You say, yeah, I want to run on the path. I'm going to change this to a blue, and I'm going to change this to not 600, something like probably 200 is fine. And I'm going to type rug, maybe. What happened? Why is it gone? Okay, just play around where you click on the pathway. It seems to be annoying. This is kind of why I don't use the pathway way. Click around and like let it make it let you type a lot, basically. See how it cuts out? I don't know why that happens. There's some reason, something up with this little thing here. But yeah. That's how you do it with the pen tool. There's ways to figure out how to make it actually work. I don't remember what they are, but pen tool is supposed to give you more control. Anyways, let's do another one. Okay, new layer. We have 2 minutes left, 1 minute left. Text, whatever, straight. Right? Just regular rug labs like that. And then enter, keep it. Or not enter, but check. And then V, go back to regular, no cursor. What you want to do here then is filter. No. Type. And wrap text. Is it wrap text? I think it's wrap text. Anyways, one of these things. It's always directly in the way. Okay, here you go. Yeah, wrap text. You pick your style, whatever you want to do. Arc. If you want to do arc, should upload to it. No, we don't want to do it. What we want to do is a flag, because that's kind of there's an arc. Yeah, update to an arc. Do we want to do a flag? It's going to update to a flag, right? Should. Anyways, so that's how much bend we want. We probably want less bend. There you go. Even less bend than that, probably. Minus 19, convenient minus. There, looks pretty good. So anyways, you can play around and it's just slow. I guess negative is really negative. But yeah, press OK. That should. It's too little. Quickly. Thank you for watching the video. I hope this helped you. I'm sorry if it didn't, because I don't. Look, it's always in the way. I don't know exactly how to do this, but I'm trying to share my knowledge as much as I can, because I don't have that much of it, and if no one ever shares their knowledge, then No one will ever have any of it. But yes, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see the main channel, check out